Okay, once again, there's nothing in here. Nothing in there. That was a false one. Here is the paper, name, for you, tax, facts, amount number, name, address, zip code, medical stuff. Name, it doesn't show. Okay, next package. It is from Golden State. I don't know if you can see that in there. You probably can't. But this one's so hard to be a bitch to open. What? I think it might be a good one to open. Let me see. Sorry about this. It's kind of hard to open. There. Try to go from down. Sorry about that. Bag. My first one. I'm gonna try to open this from the side. There we go. Here we go. I think this will be better. Get started for me. Okay, got it open. Okay. Got some styrofoam. Styrofoam, put over there. Styrofoam. Anything else in there? Nope. Okay. These are self-aware electrodes for all electric, a single pad uniform. And these are not mine, by the way. These are my mother's, but she's not home. Okay. And the one for you, I don't know if you can see it. I could open it really quickly. Let me put this right here. I could open it really quickly. There we go. Shows you the package right here. The last one I'm going to open is for me, by the way. Here's the thing. Here's some instructions. How to do it. These are the pads. These are pads. Okay. That's probably going to be for the next few of them. Here's the next one. Looks like I could just open it from here. Yeah, see, it's just to open like this. Don't need this anymore. What's this? Some more. My dog. Be right back. Okay. Same thing. My dog's barking. I'll be right back. Mom. Here's the next one. That's my mother, by the way. You see her? No. Okay, here's. Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. I got 4 minutes onto it. This right here. This one is another open slide. Like this. Oh, these are all my mother's, by the way. Pads. Last one right here. Come 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 here. Okay, she doesn't want to come. Okay, this is the last one. It's a big one. From one track. These are all from one track, I think. I think that one's from one track. This one's from Golden State. I don't know if you can read it. Yeah, it's not auto-focusing. Old phone. You ready? Here we go. Looks like it got taped. Oh, did I just push something? Oh. This one's taped, so I can just slide it open like this. Open it. Here's the front end. That's not my address. Sorry. And there's the city I live in. Here's the Solara Medical Supplies Highway Beach date service, scheduled date for service. That was like a couple days ago. Here's the next one. Same thing. What I got? These are ketones. Bayer ketones. I could open them. I don't think you really I can see. This is what they are. They're ketones. You probably don't want to know what these do. Some of the people are probably gonna watch this. I know probably few of you guys are probably diabetics, and you probably know what these are. And I'm diabetic, type 1, 15 years now. These are One Touch Blue test strips. I have 3 of them. There's 1 out of the 2, 3. There's the 2 out of 3, and here's the 3rd one. Okay, that's all today. There's some on the floor. And I'll make another video if I get more. Okay, bye.